Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing an update on Zion Oil and Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG. Just to reiterate, I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research before investing in a stock. I just want to break down the charts of what we saw today, give you some information about key support and resistance levels, my plan moving forward with the stock, and some things to kind of keep in mind as we move forward. So if you find any value in today's video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. And if you enjoy our content, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time that we release new content. So let's take a look at what happened today. So we started trading and we were roughly at about 86, 87 cents, and then temporarily kind of fell off of a cliff and got all the way down to about 65 cents at one point, but we shot right back up. A lot of people saw this price point as, very attractive. I know a lot of people had buy orders at about the 75, 74 cent level. So that helped us, push right back up and kind of hold support here. Even though we broke it, we did, shoot straight back up. So moving into tomorrow, what I want to see on the open is if we do start selling off again, that we bounce off of this key support level of 74 and we don't go below that 74, because you see right here this SMA line. If we break below that, then we can see some more room for downside, which we definitely don't want. But the good thing that we're seeing here on the RSI is we are close to oversold. So if we do see some more downside, I don't think it's going to be much more than what we're seeing here. And so if you are looking to get into this stock, especially for a good swing position, this would probably be a good entry point. In fact, that's what my plans are for tomorrow, is I'm going to watch it off the open and see how it reacts. Does it, come out swinging out the gates and come up a little bit higher? Probably not, to be honest with you, because I think that people are getting aggravated and impatient with this stock, and I can see possibly it may be just trading sideways down here, maybe for a couple of days before shooting back up to that 93 cent or maybe dollar mark. So anyway, that's my plan for tomorrow, is to try to buy more around here about the 74, 75 cent level, and maybe ride those shares up to closer to a dollar and take profits just on that particular position, because I do hold a very, very large position on this particular stock. So I'm holding through until we get any type of updates on the drilling. So anyway, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you here is, still we're at the same support and resistance level, support of 74, resistance about 93 and 93 cents. So if we could get some upward momentum and bust through that 93 cent mark and hold support, then our next key level will be at about $1.12. So just kind of keep that in mind. But if you are getting in here at the 74 cent mark tomorrow and you have a new position, make sure that you put your stop loss on just in case we see some more downside. If you're getting in tomorrow and you already have a larger position, and you're just trying to look to maybe, average down, then I think this would actually be a good entry point here, to get in, because I don't know if we're gonna see it break below that SMA line or not. So either way, whatever you do, I would watch it off the open just to kind of see how it acts. I highly doubt it shoots straight up tomorrow without any type of big news. So even if it does pop up temporarily, I can see it maybe coming back down to mid 70s and trading sideways. So anyway, guys, let me know your plan for this stock. I know it's kind of getting a little aggravating and people are getting anxious, but hopefully we'll have some good news coming our way soon. We'll get some good updates and we'll start that uptrend back up closer to that $3 to $4 to $5 level, and that way we could all cash out and um, you know embrace our blessings. So other than that, guys, that's all I have. We'll see you in the next video.